Hello. It has been a very wet start to 2024. Some places have seen all of their expected January rainfall in just the first few days of the month. So still lots of flood warnings in force, and the weather is going to continue to cause some disruption, although what is actually falling out of the skies much drier over the next few days. But there will be a lag between the rain falling and the floodwaters receding. But high pressure is building, and that's going to be squeezing away most of the showers. Low pressure clearing towards the east as we head through the next 24 hours. Still low pressure close to parts of the north of Scotland. So one or two showers around for the rest of today, quite heavy across the northeast of Scotland. Quite cloudy skies for central and eastern parts of England. Through this evening and tonight, we're going to see clearer skies, though, moving in towards the west. Fairly light winds, so a drop in temperature. In fact, quite a cold night. We'll see some frost and some mist and fog patches forming for parts of Scotland, Northern Ireland, Northern England, Wales as well. Central and Eastern England probably just about frost-free, where you've got more of that low cloud. But it could be quite a murky start to Saturday one way or another, with the low cloud in the east and the pockets of fog elsewhere. They should clear away relatively quickly on Saturday, so plenty of sunshine. Just the odd shower coming through around some of these Irish sea coasts, and the odd spot of light rain for eastern England as well, but much drier, thankfully, than it has been of late. Temperatures rather cool in the east, around 5 to 7, perhaps 8 or 9, a little bit further west with a bit more sunshine coming through. Heading into the second half of the weekend, and high pressure still very much with us. Not many isobars on the map for most, so relatively light winds. The fog of Sunday could be quite slow to clear through the central belt, perhaps the Welsh Marches as well. Down towards the southeast, a bit more of a breeze, could just bring one or two showers towards East Anglia and the far southeast, but certainly nothing heavy like we've seen of late. And a colder day across the board, only about 3 to 7 degrees on Sunday. So it's going to feel different as we head through the weekend into next week, courtesy of this big area of high pressure. And it is a large area of high pressure moving in. So Monday and Tuesday, then we're going to see a bit of a change in air mass, the blue colours returning, the colder air moving in as that wind rotates around high pressure coming in from an easterly direction. It's been very cold in Scandinavia recently. It won't be all that cold here, but we are tapping into something a bit colder than we have seen. A lot of dry weather, thankfully, and then things perhaps looking a little bit milder from midweek onwards, but do expect to see some mist and some fog at times. Bye-bye.